In this video, we will start to solve the problems with the calligraphy animation. This is Illustrator. You can use any version of Illustrator or any illustration program. File new. Profile will be for the video and films. We'll select the higher HD 1080. Okay. Be careful that Illustrator creates what calls artboard. This is the one for our video and this one. We need to delete this one. Select the artboard tool. Click the trash can to delete the extra artboard. Command 0, fit to window. Please make sure your background is transparent. If you want to turn the transparent off, just view, hide transparent. This is only for the viewing, but it will not be saved in the file. Select text tool, love, select all, change the font to Edwarian, change the size to 800. Back to the selection tool. Open the layer panel. Duplicate the layer. Turn the first layer invisible. Select the text in the lower layer. Turn the opacity around 50. Turn the upper layer visible. Lock the lower layer. Close the layer panel. Select text layer. Change the fill with the outline. Change the text to outline. It's not text anymore. It's few vector shapes. Object, ungroup. Now you can select the L and the O, V and the E. For the animation, you need to visual the start point and the end point. For the L character, we will start from here and go around, and we will face here the first problem, these two intersections. This needs to be separated to two different shapes. One in this direction and one in this direction. But with the animation go on, you can see that these two passes are still one pass. So we need to cut it here. It will be separated into two passes. Go on with the animation. This pass, and we get another intersection here. So we need to do one more cut, and the L ends here. So select the knife. Press Option or Alt on a PC. Draw a line. Press Z for the magnification. See, we created the cut to split into two passes. 0 to fit the window. We'll go for the second part. We'll use the knife. Press Option or Alt. Drag. We split this into two passes. 0. Zoom. We'll start working for this intersection. Select the white arrow. Select the four corners of the intersection. Press Shift to select more than one point. Use the cutter tool up to disconnect the points. Now we have this point here. This will go to this side. This will go for this side, and so on. Once you get 2 points on each other, select them and use Object Pass Join, which is Command J for Mac, Control J for PC. Continue with this point. Command J. Select 2 points. Command J. Command J. Now we need to adjust the passes. Command minus to zoom out. Select point and modify. You see the new points is not smooth. Select the point, convert point to smooth. Select the point, smooth and smooth. Now you can see the benefit of the lower layer. It works as a reference for our pass. Once we're done with this intersection, zoom out. You can easily notice that the first pass switched the outline to the fill. See, we split the first animation pass alone. This is the simple steps we use for solving the problems in the calligraphy animation. I will go on with the rest of the intersection. Now you can notice that we split the L to one pass, second pass, and the third pass. And we still have the O and the V and the E separate. We can see that in the layer panel. Open layers. We have 1, 2, 3 passes and 3 compound. This one for the E. Select, this is the B. O. This is the first part and the L. This is the last part and the L, and this is the middle. Do necessary changes to sort the layers according to your view. What we need to do now is turn this shapes into layers. So simply select the first one. This is the E. Collect in a new layer. select the V. You have to select the compound pass. Select a new layer. This is O. Select a new layer. This pass. Select a new layer. And so. Now we simply select the first layer, shift select the last layer, and move this layer outside. This is our layers. This is the background. Just send it to the back. And this is the first layer. We can delete it. It's no need. So now we have the E, V, O, and the 3 parts for the L shape. And this is our background. We can delete it also. Just keep it. We will delete it in After Effects or Motion. Here we'll select all. Change the color, fill color to the white. The outline to white. View, turn opacity on. And this is our calligraphy separated and ready for the animation. Please make sure that you always save your files. File, save, love 1. Save. Save it as Illustrator file. No problem to import in After Effects. But for Apple Motion, you have to go to File, Export, and save it as Photoshop. Use Artboard and save the word love. This is number 1. Save it in Udemy folder and export. Keep the model RGB 17 need. Don't flat the image. We need it in layers. And OK. We're done here. See you in the next movie for the animation.